Welcome to my channel. The interior has been upgraded and a wide 3-section monitor has been installed on the dashboard. Additionally, the vehicle features a head-up display and a large 31 3-inch TV for rear passengers. The multimedia system is enhanced with Google services and artificial intelligence. The rear seats of the Mercedes VLE can be moved along special rails, and an electric drive is available for an additional fee. The trunk capacity ranges from 795 to 4078 liters. Ambient lighting effectively accentuates this. Just relax and enjoy. An electric sunshade protects against excessive sunlight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.